To effectively search the Bill.com API documentation, follow these steps. First, navigate to the Bill.com developer portal, where you will find the API documentation. The documentation is divided into sections, including an overview, getting started, and reference materials. Next, identify what you are looking for, whether it is information on a specific endpoint, error codes, or general guidance on implementing the API. Use the search bar at the top of the page to enter keywords related to your query. Be specific with your search terms to get relevant results. As you search, pay attention to the organization of the documentation. Endpoints are typically grouped by category, such as invoices, payments, and vendors. Click on a relevant endpoint to view its details, including the HTTP method, request parameters, and response format. Familiarize yourself with the API terminology and conventions used in the documentation. Understand the difference between required and optional parameters, and how to handle errors and exceptions. Look for code samples in various programming languages to help illustrate how to use the API in your application. When evaluating search results, consider the relevance, accuracy, and recency of the information. The Bill.com API documentation is regularly updated to reflect changes and improvements. So always check the version number and release notes to ensure you are working with the latest information. Best practices for searching the Bill.com API documentation include using precise keywords, checking the official documentation first, and testing API calls in a sandbox environment before deploying to production. By following these steps and tips, you can efficiently find the information you need to successfully integrate the Bill.com API into your application and streamline your financial workflows.